Hello guys, today I have got Motorola Moto G22 and I'm going to show you how to fix the battery drain on your device. The first thing is that you need to go to the settings right here. Now head over to the battery section right here. As you can see, we've got here tab battery usage. Tap it. As you can see, this phone is maybe not brand new, but after the setup, which means that we don't have any usage and any application. But here you should see applications that used your battery. You need to search for the highest one and disable background activity. How to do that? Go back to this main menu and go to the apps section right here. See all apps and now find this application that you detected as the highest when it comes to the usage. Tap this application. Let it be ball sort puzzle. Now, as you can see, you need to scroll down to the battery and here tap restricted. Remember that this application won't receive notifications at all, or they may be delayed. So remember to do it only to applications you don't really care about. The notifications. You don't care about notifications from this application. So, for example, TikTok or some Facebook maybe, or some Snapchat. You need to especially focus on these social media applications like TikTok because they use much battery, very much. So, apart from that, you need to uninstall the bloatware. So once we are here, I can explain this thing to you. As you can see here, I've got this pen icon with the uninstall label. The game Ball Sort Puzzle is the application I don't want on my phone, and I didn't want to install it. It was just installed automatically because it's called bloatware. Applications such as games or social media applications that are pre-installed comes pre-installed with your phone. That come pre-installed. You need to just uninstall them. Here, as you can see, we've got Booking.com, Block Blast, Ball Sort Puzzle, Arrows, Adobe Express, pardon me, Candy Crush Saga, Booking.com was there also. Happy Color. You need to just tap one application and hit uninstall button. Confirm, and now you are done. Just do this to every single application you see right here. So now, once I told you to uninstall bloatware, we need to install one application. Enter Play Store, and wait a moment, I need to log in. Now we are done. Here, open search and search. You need to type AccuBattery. Battery. ACCU battery from Digibytes. This is this one. This application. You need to hit install button. And yes, I know I told you to uninstall bloatware, but this application is not bloatware. You can detect here many errors when it comes to the battery, many bugs, glitches, etc. Or just some information that your battery maybe just it's used and it has bad capacity, so that's why you've got battery drain. Or maybe it's overheating. You can do everything here. Open your application. And skip this intro. As you can see now, we've got Motorola Moto G22, Android 12, the battery is in capacity 5000 milliamp hours. Hit finish. And as you can see, here we've got 4 sections: charging, discharging, health, and history. But before that, you need to take a look at this thing over here. Tap it. Here, as you can see, we've got battery usage restricted. We need to open power optimization settings and scroll down to find AccuBattery. Okay, I don't see it here. Maybe it's in all apps. Here, tap AccuBattery and tap Don't Optimize. Here, done. And as you can see, that should be it, but we can double check it by opening App Info and Battery. Unrestricted is here. So that's how it works. Let's go to these 4 sections back again: charging, discharging, health, and history. Let's start with discharging. It's actually the section that you won't really use because it doesn't matter. Charging doesn't matter. The thing that matters is discharging. Here, scroll down. As you can see, you need to look at battery current, temperature, and average battery usage. And no, I don't really think that you should focus on voltage, but temperature, average battery usage, and battery current. If you see any of these 3 red, very red, and you don't really see that you have got many applications open in the background, you need to contact device support because your battery is damaged. I mean, I can actually shorten it, all this application, because in every single section you see red, you need to just go to the authorized service to have it fixed, because, and I mean replace the battery, because that's how it works here. But let me explain this a little bit deeper. Here, as you can see, voltage is red, so it's actually bad to see, but that doesn't matter now. Here in the health, scroll down. As you can see here, we've got a battery health, estimated capacity, and design capacity. This is what you need to actually look at, and the same as here, battery capacity over time. Here we've got a chart. Use your phone for a week or 2 normally. Just charge it, discharge, use it. And here you should see the chart that shows your capacity. And the same as here, but this is just a piece of information. If you see that it's below 80% or it's 80%, it means that this battery is just getting old and you need to fix it, because this is normal for this battery, which is very used. And history, it doesn't really matter, but you can look at this, take a look, because here you've got just charging and discharging cycles and battery wear. So that should be it actually for this application, because you need to just go to the device support once you see something red in here. Remember to not to uninstall it, to keep it unoptimized, so that it will just easily work in the background. It may use some battery, of course, but it won't be that much as it was earlier. So apart from that, what I do recommend doing is to restart your phone. Hold volume and volume. Wait a moment. It's already 12. Maybe it doesn't work like this. Here, you need to hold power, only power button, and hit restart. Now your phone will be restarted. Of course, a simple restart is a very simple process, but it's very complicated to explain this to you, because restarting your phone can fix many bugs, many glitches, because every single sensor, every single piece of software needs to be turned on back again, so it restarts and something may be fixed. So if this all things didn't help you, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed, because there may be an error that you can't find. Remember to keep all the applications closed, keep the eye on the temperature, and don't use your phone at the highest light, the sunlight. And remember that your phone is kind of old, so it may be just bad at these times. It's not bad, but you know what I mean. The battery can be just not the first ever, not the best one. So that's actually it. Let me know if it helped you. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.